Here's another great RV from U-Neek RV of Kelso, Washington.
Hi, this is Megan. I'd like to show you the R-Pod by Forest River RP-193.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory. Please consult the dealer's inventory for actual details on this RV.
Be sure to subscribe. U-Neek RV has been a family-run and family-oriented business. It's located just north of Portland on Interstate 5. U-Neek RV always carries a full line of new and used towable RVs that will make your family's RV dreams come true.